Okay, so we want to quickly see the beam direction of Eutelsat 10B at 10E. So this is what we have from Eutelsat. So I told you that the beam crosses. You can see it 3870 arrow global. So when there is arrow that is L, you need a dielectric. You can see the beam covers up to Colombia, Venezuela, Brazil. You can see the whole of Africa is covered down to the Indian Ocean. Then India is covered, and the whole of Europe, even to Iceland, then to Iceland. Then this first part is Denmark. So the beam is very, 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 very wide. Now look at, if you look at, let's go to, so that means it has a the highest number we have is 48. Let me say that this size 48 here is 48. It is, this one is less than, greater than 42, 42, 42. So the least is 160 to 200 centimeter. So anything that is greater than 42, should be 80 cm or even 80 cm. 80 cm. So if you have somewhere like let's say like this one is 40, not, there's no 48, sorry, there's no 48, 40, 41, 42, 43, 42. Let's even say, let me say, so at it goes from 40, 41, 42, 43. Let's say 90 cm. From, let's say, any part of Africa, you can use, you can try from 80 cm and above. 90 cm, 41, 40. If your beam has direction, like somewhere in Nigeria now, there are something like 42. We can talk of something like 42, 80 cm or below. So somewhere like Botswana, South Africa, they just, let's assume they are 45. Let's assume they are 45. So they should talking about something like less than less than 100. So the bottom line is they've been covers everywhere all over Africa. So let's quickly see the channels that we have. Now, for those who are in Kenya, you have a lot of Kenya channels there. You can see Sporty TV is even here. We have a whole lot of them that there. So then we have fields. This, what we said, fields. Fields are where you get live spots. Feeds is where you have live spots. I'll pop up a feed and see where they're showing live matches last yesterday. Let me just pop it up here. Okay, you can see the pop up. So that feed there. For those of you who have a decoder that has BSkey, BSkey enabled, once you track this, and this feed is on, they'll tell you the time the feed is on. The decoder will automatically roll. You don't even need to subscribe. It will just pop up. So most of these, can see that yellow, most of them are free. We have Deeper Life. I think Deeper Life is also here. Those who are Deeper Life Church is a popular church name. So all these feeds, action film movie can come. A lot of great things and it shows in these feeds. So it's a whole lot. Let me go up again. Let me go up and see. Love what this, that, we want that. So just go ahead there and follow the techniques I'm going to teach you. You can see for those in Europe, we have the Europe one is even KU bands. So maybe we'll also try later on, not today. Some other time we can try the KU band and see if we can get the the beam, but there's no beam information for the KU band. So take notes, go back again and see. Does it have KU band also? You can see a lot. Let me see the inscription. Idiato, that is pay TV, BBC One, this and that. They also have some radio station. They also have fields that are here, and the fields, some of them are open for free Europe wide. Let me see if I can get it. The coverage for Europe wide. No, we've already seen the coverage. So the coverage is the whole of Europe, as I told you earlier. So we'll go back again to our dish and see how we can track it. Thank you.